Yo, first order of the day is a Jack in the Box. This is $6 going 3 miles.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Thank you.
Come on.
There you go. Thank you. Like, work with me a little bit, man. Obviously, you need a key card to get into the building. At least mention that, or come outside to meet me. Do something. Oh, of course that was a no tip. Never mind. Just stay asleep. Next order up is a Black Rock coffee. This one is $7 going 2 miles.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Next up is a Muchas Gracias. This is $11 going 7.5 miles. Thank you. Next up is a Shop and Deliver for Safeway. This is $12 going 5 miles, only one item.
Please remain at this location.
I don't know why I took this order, but I guess we're doing it. This one's going across the river. This is a McDonald's, $11 going 6 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
There's nowhere to park. Love that for me. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to park like a block away at this rate. This is ridiculous. Says, give the door a light knock when it arrives. Thanks, winky face. Why are you winking at me, you freak? Got another McDonald's. This one is $7 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
I'm still trying to leave this area, by the way. Between every order, I've been trying to creep closer and closer to home, but they keep pulling me back. This is a McDonald's, $12 going 5 miles. Thank you. Oh, you are annoying me.
Correct.
All right, and then I also need a, there's a pin on the Uber order.
Uh-huh.
So I need that from you as
Okay.
well.
Okay, just 1 second.
Yep, no problem. Got it, thank you so much.
You got it, thank you.
Anyways, they got me again. This is a 7-Eleven. Yeah, 7-Eleven. $10 going 1 mile. I did not realize this had so many drinks in it. I think that's 5 1-liters. Okay, got one that's taking me somewhat closer to my zone. This is a Starbucks, $9 going 6 miles. Thank you. You too. Perfect. There's that.
Thank you.
Yep, you have a good day. Actually made it back into my zone, so I am ready for all the trash orders you're willing to give me. I like how the very first order that I get when I get back here is an IHOP going right back across the river. Okay, finally got an order. This is a stack. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway and a 7-Eleven pickup. This is $11 going 4 miles. I think I'm only shopping for 4 items. Hello. I have the order for Haley.
You do this one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Get the tickets at the premium list. We've got you covered.
Weigh your bananas.
Going to Safeway for this one. It is a shop and deliver, $8 going 3 miles, 4 items. The most recent Uber tip just came in and the total's looking pretty good. Good enough for me at least. So I think I'm just gonna call it here. Current time is 9:27. Total, we are at 109. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.